Let's look at an example together of how to plot a dilation in CourseArc, and then we'll look at an additional example of how to do a similar problem using MyOpenMath. So we have a triangle in front of us, triangle ABC. They ask us to draw the image under a dilation centered at 0, 0, scale factor of 1/2. So we want to identify each of the coordinates here, each vertex, and then simply multiply those by 1/2 to get our new coordinates. So let's go ahead and do that. So point A is at -6, -6. So if we multiply those by 1/2 or divide them both by 2, that would give us -3, -3. So we just click on that coordinate and it'll plot a point for us. Let's go to point B. It is at 8, -2, so that's going to go to 4, -1. Plot, it'll connect for us automatically here. And our last one, point C is at 4, -8. So that's going to go to 2, -4. Notice it connects, so to close it off, just go back to the point where we started, click, and there is our new image. Notice it looks very similar to the original image, to the pre-image. And let's check ourselves. And I don't think you can see it there. It says your answer is correct. Okay, let's go look at another one doing a similar problem in MyOpenMath just to see how the layout is there. So these are set up just a little different, but really the way you execute is very similar. This one says scale factor of 2, so now we're going to double every coordinate. So let's start with A. It doesn't matter which one we start with, but let's start with A. It's at 2, 3, so we're going to go to 4, 6 and plot it. Let's go over to B. It's at -3, 2, so that's going to go to -6, 4, right? We just have to double both of those. And C is at 1, -1, so that's going to go to 2, -2. Now close it off, very similar to CourseArc. Now here's the only difference. If you go somewhere else, it's going to have a line. You can either just go off the screen and it'll go away. I like to just double click that last point where I was. And let's go ahead and submit, and it says, hey, we got that correct. So I hope that helps you plot these in CourseArc as well as MyOpenMath. Of course, if you have any questions, please reach out to your instructor.